What's up, guys? It's Mr. Car right here, and today we're gonna watch Little Bill makes a fake EAS alert. And he gets grounded. So, here we go. EAS alert and gets grounded. Here he goes. Wow, look at that. Okay, let me turn off my lights. It's so blurry. There we go, that's much better. Little Bill's mom. Little Bill's brother. Little Bill's sister. And Little Bill is a fucking idiot. I'm sorry about my language. I'm really sorry. Huh. Woohoo!
Stay tuned. Also, it's shout out time. Shout out to Darwin's puppeteer.
And shout out to Maria the penguin.
Shout out to you guys.
Whoa.
You guys are so amazing and have awesome videos.
Whoa, that's cool.
Check these two out. They're amazing and have really good hard-working videos.
Okay, let's do
Go
it.
subscribe to their awesome channels. Also, guys, I want to give a little warning, and not for the censored version, since that video doesn't need any warning at all, since it's a good video, all ages, and nothing bad to worry. If you're a younger audience watching this original video and not the censored, please go to the censored version of this video right now.
Okay,
This is the original version,
but I can't. And also, I subscribed and hit the notification bell and liked the video.
But anyways, for the people watching this version, there is a loud EAS tone in this, and please turn down your volume when you see this icon right here in the corner. But anyways,
What?
I hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next
I already did
video.
it.
Signing off.
I'm so excited. I'm happy too.
I'm so bored. I feel like doing a
And I'm 8 years old, so like Connor. What?
I know what to do. I'll make a
What you gonna
fake
do?
EAS alert to the whole
Fake?
world and scare everyone.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's gonna be bad! Ah!
But first, I have to go find the EAS headquarters.
Do not go there, please. 30 minutes later.
Perfect. Now that I found the EAS headquarters, let's sneak inside.
Okay, guess that's fine.
Alright, everybody. It's lunchtime.
I thought Little Bill come in. Oh,
Coast is clear. Wow, so many choices to pick. These emergencies are really good, but I wish there was a good one.
let me turn them up. Let me turn it up.
Wow, I can upload my own EAS alert.
Not that loud.
Wait, that reminds me. Good thing I brought this flash drive with my favorite type of an EAS alert.
Okay.
Zombies. Now let's put this in.
Oh my god. Oh my
Great.
god.
Now let's upload a zombie EAS alert to activation.
Oh my god. Please don't do it. No.
Sweet. Now all we have to do is activate it to the button. Sweet.
Oh my
now
god.
let's rename the alert. Success. Now the button should be ready.
Whoa.
Finally, now.
Don't do it.
To push the button to alert everybody for zombies.
Don't do it.
Ha 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 ha.
Don't do it.
Hey guys, before I show this part, I want to warn everyone
What?
again. If you're a younger audience and watching this version still, please leave this video and go to the censored version, please. I am warning you right now. There is a scary loud tone right here, so please turn down your volume and leave this video to the censored version I made if you're
Okay.
a younger audience that doesn't like violence or scary. This warning right here
What?
to notify you when something is about to happen.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy the video.
Here we go.
What a good commercial.
I agree.
What? I really want a PS5 too. What's that question mark there? Here comes the fucking healer. Sorry about my language. I won't say the bad words anymore, okay? What is that sound? Oh my god, these two brother and sister are crying. Oh my god. What's happening? Let me turn it up. There we go, that's much better. Oh my god. This is fake. It's a false alarm. Also guys, after this, and little Bill's dad calls my emergency, and he will say it was little fucking Bill. I'm sorry, I won't say it. Alright. Let's keep watching this to the end. That's a false alarm. Oh my god! They're screaming! They're screaming, everyone! Oh my god! This is so dangerous! Well, the cars are going 60 miles per hour! Oh my god! Man! Oh my god.
Who are you and how did you get in here?
What the heck going on?
Oh my god.
Zombie EAS alert?
Kid, do you know what you just done? You caused so much panic to the whole world. What the fuck is wrong with you? I don't care what
Oh, you said the bad word.
That's it. I'm calling your parents. You don't know me. My parents or their phone number. Oh, really? Listen.
Oh my god.
Well, no, in fact, know who you are. Now I'm calling your parents. No.
You're running away.
Make an administrative message to the whole world that this was a false alarm. Sure thing. Where's everybody? There you are, little Bill. Wait, let's go to the basement.
Oh my god, the basement.
Hi there with Bobby, April, and your mother while I'll go barricade the door.
Also guys, subscribe and hit the notification bell on my YouTube channel.
What's going on now? It's the EAS message. Let's see what it is.
What?
The following message is transmitted to the request of the United States government. This is an all clear and false alert. There is no real zombies or a threat. I repeat, this is a false EAS alert that was announced to the whole world. All clear.
Oh my god.
Guys, it was a false alarm. There's no zombies, but who would have made such a false EAS alert like that?
Oh, phone.
This is Big Bill. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Russell, and I'm the leader of the EAS headquarters, and I wanted to inform you that your son has made a fake EAS alert to the whole world, causing so much panic. Can you please ground him?
He did what? Are you fucking serious? Thank you
Oh,
for telling
that
me.
word.
I will take care of it.
Alright,
Happened, dear.
here it comes.
Someone made a fake EAS alert causing so much panic to the whole world.
Who?
Little fucking Bill.
Oh my god, he said it!
Little Bill, tell me the fucking truth right now.
Oh my god.
Yes, I made a fake EAS alert as a prank. I'm so sorry.
Little Bills is such an idiot.
Fake EAS alert. What the fuck is wrong with you? You caused so
Sorry
much
about the
panic to
hand
whole
in the
world.
camera.
This is the most stupidest thing you ever done in the world. That's it. You're so grounded for 1, 3,
Oh my god!
4, 3, 7, 8, 3, 9, 7, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6 years. Go to your room now.
Oh my god. Such a fucking idiot. Whoa! That was cool! Wow. Subscribe for more. Little Bill Ground is serious. Okay. Alright, thanks for watch Little Bill makes a fake immersion chiller system and gets grounded. So, bye-bye!